Trinity Business School is perhaps the best place in Europe where to start a new business. We are very proud here at Trinity College Dublin of our entrepreneurial spirit. On the one hand, Trinity College Dublin has been consistently ranked as the best university in Europe where to start a business based on the number of startups that have been created here on campus over the past years. On the other hand, Trinity Business School is located in the heart of one of the most dynamic and vibrant cities in Europe, a city that has one of the fastest growing tech industry of the world, and a city that has, on the other hand, one of the fastest growing financial districts, which is located only a few steps away from our campus. The Master in Entrepreneurship is designed for both aspiring entrepreneurs and existing entrepreneurs, and it will provide students with information, tools and insights about how to launch and create a new business. On the other hand, it will also provide already existing entrepreneurs with the possibility to refine and scale their existing business. The bottom line is that this master is really hands-on, it's practical, and it has one main goal: helping students gathering information and knowledge which they can use to plan and execute their next business idea.
So the structure of the Masters in Entrepreneurship is fantastic because it has a healthy balance of theory and practice. The theory I had from doing my undergraduate at BESS, and the practice I didn't have, which is really going out and speaking with customers, understanding their journey and their experience of the problem you're trying to solve. Having completed it, I now feel like I have access to students and like-minded entrepreneurs from all over the world, as well as access to a professional network should I look to enter the marketplace here in Dublin.
So what I really liked about the Masters in Entrepreneurship was how practical it was. So at every class that we took, I got to use Keep Happy, our business, as our assignments. So we were also doing assignments for the class, but I was always doing real-world research for our business.
A key feature of the Master in Entrepreneurship is networking. Networking is not only relevant because it helps students connecting to interesting people within and outside campus, but networking is a fundamental part of any entrepreneur. Networking means helping students connecting to relevant mentors, stakeholders who will be helping students forming and creating and launching their new business ideas.
This program is for anybody who is either interested in starting a business, they want to start a business, or they just want to get more personal skills that can help you for your career path.